Welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Magic Mechanical Learning Tutorials. So in this video I am talking about types of welding processes. So let us start with the types of welding process. So generally welding process that will be dividing into the two categories, fusion welding process and non-fusion welding process, or you can say solid state welding process. So basic difference in that case of fusion welding and solid state welding. So in case of fusion welding, our base metal and weld metal that will be into fusion form, and that after that will be solidified and making a joint of different two materials. In case of solid state welding, the material of base metals that will be in the form of solid state and that will be joined together. So let us talk about fusion welding. So generally fusion welding that will be having a total 5 categories. So as per the utilization of the different gases, that will be having a gas welding process. Second, resistance welding process. So just you can use the resistance of the flow of the current for generating a high temperature between two materials. So that will be the category of resistance welding. Third category, arc welding. So different kind of arc is produced by the application of the different materials like carbon, metals, plasma. Then some of the gases is being used to making a higher state of the energy in the form of the temperatures. So that will be considering as a arc welding process. Never welding process, or you can say utilization of the electrons, or you can say high kinetic energy of the electrons, laser beams, it will be spotted onto the materials and the metal joining process is carried out. So that will be never machining process. And last one, thermit welding process. So once again that will be also the category of the fusion welding. So generally that will be applicable to joining of the rail tracks. And in the case of solid state welding, that will be making a friction. Some of the ultrasonic waves is being used, diffusion methods. Sometimes RDX kind of explosive is being used to making a large sheet materials to be joined. Forge welding, or you can say high amount of forges onto the materials, and that will be used to join the sheet metals. So forging, cold working process is being used for the solid state welding. So generally in solid state welding, both the metals it will be into solid state, so there is no any kind of liquid form during the metal joining process. So let us start with the fusion welding process, and the first category, gas welding process. If we are using oxygen with acetylene with the some proportions and making the some kind of flames and generating of the higher temperature at your spot area, so that will be the category of the fusion with oxyacetylene gas welding. So gas is being used, or you can say mixture of the gases, and that will be oxygen and acetylene to carry a welding process. Suppose I want to use air plus acetylene, so that will be called as a air acetylene gas welding process. If I want to use hydrogen with oxygen and to generate the flames, and that flame is increasing the temperature of the base metal and filler metals, and welding is carried out. So that all kind of categories of different kind of combination of the gases of oxygen acetylene, air acetylene and oxygen hydrogen to generate the higher temperature flame, and that will be used to making a fusion of base metal as well as parent metal, and metal joining process is carried out, or you can say the welding process is carried out. So that three category it will be in the form of gas welding process. Second one, resistance welding process. So in case of resistance welding process, generally carried out onto the conductive materials, and that will be used as a working principle resistance of flow of the currents, and that will be producing the high amount of temperature at that particular spot area, and with the application of pressure the welding it will be carried out. So in that case there is no filler metal is being used, and according to the design and according to the characteristics of the resistance welding, that will be dividing into 4 categories. Spot welding process, so generally that will be also called as a point welding process, so generates the different spots. So generally this kind of welding is carried out for joining of the two thin sheet metals. So in that case, the point of the electrode, it will be contact and it will be carried the joint onto the sheet metals. Second one, seam welding process. So generally that point contact of from the electrode, that will be converting into roller contacts. So that will be continuous spot welding, or you can say the seam welding process. So generally in the case of automobile industry, seam welding is carried out because that will be making a continuous joint onto the sheet metals. Fourth category, projection welding process. So generally in case of projection welding process, it will be having a predefined points onto the sheet metals, and with the application of the pressure and the resistance of the flow of the currents, your welded joint, it will be carried out. So that will be called as a projection welding process. But, or you can say flash welding process. So if you want to join two end of the shaft, so that will be carried out with the help of butt or flash welding process. So by the application of the pressure and the passing of the currents, that will be generating the temperatures, and with the application of pressure our joint is carried out. So that will be the category of the resistance welding process. So each and every resistance, that will be utilization of the principle like resistance of the flow of the currents. Third category, arc welding process. So generally in that case, different kind of material, or can say filler material in the form of electrode is being used to generating the arc between workpiece and the electrodes. So that filler materials, it will be filled into the welding. So fusion from the base materials, or can say parent material, and the filler materials is making a molten pool, and after the solidification process, our welding process is carried out. So generally carbon is used as a arc material to generating the arc. So that will be the category of the carbon arc welding process. If some of the metals is being used as a filler materials, or you can say the electrodes, so that will be called as a manual metal arc welding. If sometimes plasma is being used, that will be utilization of the high energy state to developing the arc between workpiece and the electrodes. So that will be used for metal joining process. MIG, or you can say metal inert gas welding. So here it will be the consumable metal electrode is being used with the some gases like argon to producing the arc between workpiece and a metal electrode, and the welding process is carried out. So that will be called as a metal inert gas welding. Similarly, tungsten inert gas welding. So that will be the non-consumable kind of tungsten material electrode is being used with the gases like argon, helium, and to carry a joint between base metals. So sometimes the filler metal is being used and sometimes the filler metal is not being used. So generally it will be used, or you can say making a molten form of the base metal and the filler metals. So that will be the category of the fusion welding process. Atomic hydrogen welding process. So here it will be a high energy state of the hydrogen is being used for making a fusion of the base metals. So such kind of hydrogen is used to make a joint between two metals. Next category, Newer welding process. So in that case, the high energy, or can say high velocity of the electrons, that will be focused onto the materials, and the fusion take place, or you can say micro fusion take place onto the base metals, and the joint is carried out. Sometimes the pressure is required for the that kind of joint metal joining process. Laser beam welding process. So light amplification, stimulation, emission of radiations, or you can say high energy state of the light, that will be generating from the CO2 laser, or you can say ND-YAG laser, and that will be focused onto the base materials, and by the application of the pressure, the metal joining process is carried out. And the last one is the thermit welding process. Generally two joining of the tracks, or can say rail tracks. So that kind of methodology is being used as a fusion welding process. So basically in the case of fusion welding process, gas welding, resistance welding, arc welding, newer welding and thermite welding process. Now the second category is a solid state welding process. So in case of the solid state welding process, first is the friction welding process. So in the case of the friction welding process, suppose I want to join a two shaft of different materials. So one shaft is fixed and another it will be rotated. So developing the friction between two faces of the shaft, and with the application of pressure, joint is carried out. Ultrasonic welding process. So ultrasonic acoustic wave is being used to carry a joint between two metals. So there is no fusion take place in the case of the ultrasonic welding process. So that will be considering as a solid state welding process, and that will be similar for the diffusion welding process. Now in case of the explosive welding process, suppose I want to make a joint onto the large sheet onto the sheet metals. So sometimes the RDX kind of explosion is being used to joining of the sheet metals. Forge welding and cold welding process, that will be also considering as a solid state welding process. So by the application of the forging and the cold rolling process, the joint is carried out, and that will be not making any kind of fusion between base metals of the materials. So in the category of the solid state welding process. So in the summary form, the welding process that will be dividing into two categories, fusion welding and solid state welding process. Sometimes it will be requirement of the filler materials, and sometimes it will be not requirement of the filler materials. Sometimes the pressure is required, in some applications pressure is not required. If you like it, then subscribe, share. Thank you very much.